Good afternoon. Standard 8th subject English. Today we learn a passage on the lesson Androcles and the Lion. Yesterday we learned this part of the lesson. Today I will give you question means passage on that part, and I tell you about it some questions which are very important according to the view of examination. And listen carefully, see, read the following passage and do the activities. A1, simple factual activity, means A1, this is the question, and in this question there is some simple questions. First question is that read the passage and complete the following sentences. I read the sentence, you look into your book, workbook, and write down in your notebook. See, and Rockers was dash. Second sentence, in those days, dash used poor people as their slaves. Next, the third sentence, and Rockers master was dash. Fourth sentence, slaves were bound by law, dash. Second question, state whether the following statements are true or false. First sentence, and Rockers was afraid of the wild beasts that roamed the forest. Second sentence, the lion's paw was wounded, sore and swollen. Third sentence, and Rockers was unhappy that he was free at birth. Fourth sentence, and Rockers sought shelter in the forest after his escape. C. Passage number 1, page number 7. Long ago there lived a kind, gentle and courteous man, dash, up to last line. Lion's paw was wounded, sore and swollen, up to it. Then question number A2, complex factual activities. Big question. How were the slaves treated at that time? Second question, what did the lion seem to tell Androcles? And third sentence, write the reaction that followed each of the action given below. Androcles did not like his cruel master dash. Second sentence, the lion looked at Androcles piteously, so dash. A3, activity based on vocabulary. Find from the passage the antonyms of the following: kind, happy, poor, brave, slave, high. These are the words. And next question 2. Match the phrases in column A with their meaning in column B. A column, looking out for, face to face, summon of courage, to take a shelter. These are 4 phrases in A column. Now in column B, A, to go somewhere to cover and protection from danger. B, try to brave. C, in front of each other. D, trying to search for. Trying to search for. These are 4 phrases in column B, their meaning. Now match correctly. Question number A4, activity based on contextual grammar. Identify the tenses. Identify the tenses. See, first sentence, he escaped from the clutches of his cruel master. You know that the tense subject, you know that, and after subject there is verb, and in which form the verb is past, there is the tense depend upon the form of the main verb. So find out the answer of this sentence. Now second sentence, he was wandering in the forest. Second point, do as directed. The slaves were forced to work for their master. Pick out the infinitive and use it in your own sentence. You know that the verb forms and first form of the main verb before there is to, we call it to infinitive, and find out the to infinitive in the sentence. And if you try to use to infinity in your own sentence. Now second sentence, Andronicus did not like his master. Make it affirmative. Make it affirmative. This sentence is negative. Drop the negative word there and change the sentence into affirmative. So this is the A4. A5 personal response. What do you think about Andronicus? Or what qualities did he possesses? What qualities did he possesses? This is first question. Second question, write in your own words 3 to 4 sentences about the following. The condition of slaves in ancient Rome. The condition of slaves in ancient Rome. So this is the passage. There are 5 questions based on it. Write this passage, solve this passage in your notebook as well as in your workbook. Read it by early stop here.